Okay, so moving on to your plant cells, so you see it has very similar things. So in your plant cells, you also have, you also have things like your cell surface membrane. Okay, you have got RER, which is your rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondrion, cytoplasm, free ribosomes, okay, and your vesicles, which is for transportation. Now, what is the difference is, as mentioned earlier on, look at the size of your vacuole. So when you look at your vacuole itself, okay, you will see that this vacuole, the size is extremely big compared to the earlier on in your animal cells, the tiny little ones. Okay. Another two differences will be the presence of chloroplast. Okay. So chloroplast contains this green pigment called chlorophyll. Okay. So which is why we see the plants mainly as green color. Okay. So take note of the spelling between these two. Okay. So chlorophyll is the green pigment, whereas chloroplast is the organelle. Okay, now cell wall, the purpose of the cell wall, okay, look at the next page. It is found only in plants. Okay, take note what it is made up of: cellulose. Now the cell wall, unlike the cell membrane, it allows any substances to enter, which is why the cell membrane is located as a barrier inside the cell wall. Okay, so the main function of the cell wall is to provide support and protection for plant cells. Okay, so differences between animal and plant cells, take note of here, is a very likelihood, it's a very common question. Okay.